All right, so today we're checking out a phone that most people in the US probably haven't seen in stores, but trust me, this one deserves attention. This is the Huawei Nova 15 Ultra, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this phone is getting so much hype globally and whether it actually makes sense for US users. Big OLED display, massive battery, flagship-level cameras, and crazy fast charging, all packed into a sleek design. Sounds like a Samsung or iPhone competitor, right? Well, let's break it down. The Nova 15 Ultra looks and feels premium. It's slim, lightweight, and has that flagship-level build quality you'd expect from a high-end phone. You're getting a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything looks smooth. Scrolling, gaming, watching videos, all buttery smooth. And brightness? This thing gets insanely bright, so using it outdoors is not a problem at all. For US viewers who love big screens for YouTube, Netflix, and gaming, this display absolutely delivers. Under the hood, the Nova 15 Ultra is powered by Huawei's Kirin chipset, and performance-wise, it's fast. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and everyday use feels responsive. This phone is easily capable of handling social media, gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. For most users, this is flagship-level performance without hesitation. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, battery life. This phone packs a huge battery, and for US users who hate charging their phone multiple times a day, this is a win. You can comfortably get a full day, and honestly, even more depending on usage. And the best part? 100-watt fast charging. Plug it in, grab a coffee, and your phone is basically charged. This is something Apple and Samsung still can't compete with. Huawei has always been known for cameras, and the Nova 15 Ultra continues that tradition. You're getting a 50-megapixel main camera, plus additional lenses for ultra-wide and zoom shots. Photos come out sharp, detailed, and with excellent color science, especially portraits and daylight shots. Low light performance is solid, and video stabilization helps keep footage smooth. And selfie lovers, you're getting a high-resolution front camera, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and video calls. For content creators, this phone is a strong tool. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, software. The Nova 15 Ultra runs Harmony OS, and here's the honest truth for US users. Google apps are not built in. That means no native Google Play Store out of the box. However, many users install apps through alternative stores, and most popular apps work just fine. So yes, there's a learning curve, but if you're tech-savvy, it's manageable. I always believe in being honest with my audience, so this is something you absolutely need to consider before buying. So, who is the Huawei Nova 15 Ultra actually for? If you want amazing display, long battery life, super fast charging, excellent cameras, premium design, and you're okay with a slightly different app ecosystem, this phone is a serious contender. It's especially great for tech enthusiasts who want something different from the usual iPhone and Samsung lineup. The Huawei Nova 15 Ultra proves one thing: Huawei is still pushing hardware innovation hard. Even though it's not officially sold in the US, the value, performance, and features are impressive. This phone isn't for everyone, but for the right user, it's an absolute beast. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews, especially global smartphones you don't usually see in the US. And let me know in the comments, would you use a Huawei phone in 2026? Or are Google apps a deal breaker for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.